Friends, and follow our YouTube channel English Guru Balaji. A truly beautiful mind is an autobiography story of Albert Einstein, who gave theory of relativity, which has a vital importance in science. He has done in the betterment and in the sense of world peace. But the same theory utilized by the Oppenheimer in making bomb, atom bomb, that was a destructive. If we correlate this chapter in current scenario, we find the same thing. The coronavirus is developed by the Chinese, as it is blamed by the Donald Trump and other national leaders. It may be true or false, but the history of science, it gives that how the theory, the invention, the discovery is misused by the man and it relies for the destruction. There is a very bad thing. However, we have to concentrate on the chapter, and we will see this chapter in 3 videos. At first, you will find the introduction, next English summary, and last by the Hindi summary. Okay. We can summarize this chapter into following ways. Albert Einstein was born on March 14th, 1879 in the German city of Ulm. He was an abnormal-looking child with a broad, large head. His mother thought him freak. He began to speak very late in childhood. He started at the age of 2.5 years old for speaking. He repeated each word twice. He didn't know how to play with other children, so his friends called him Brother Boring. The other children made fun of him and he used to play all alone. He loved to play with mechanical toys. Therefore, looking at the newborn sister, he asked where her wheels were. He left school at the age of 15 due to the strict course of syllabus, rules and regulations. During his scientific studies at the University of Zurich, met Maliva Merrick and married her in January 1903 after securing a technical expert job in the patent office in Bern. In 1905, he stated his special theory of relativity, E equal to mc square. He received Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. Germany discovered the principle of nuclear fission in 1938 and wrote the American President Roosevelt for its destruction as atomic bomb. However, he wrote for the safety of world peace. But Americans dropped the atom bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. Shocked by this step, in the last days he spent most of work in politics advocating world peace and democracy. He died at the age of 76 on 18th April 1955, New Jersey, United States. Okay dear, that was your summary in English. Now it is time to say goodbye, but I would like to remind you to subscribe this video, like and share among your near and dear, and must comment for suggestions and your compliments. Thanks again.